In today's video, I'll show you how to rearrange the regular price and the sale price on collection pages in Shopify Horizon theme. For this example, let's take a look at the sale collection on my site, and as you can see, under every single product card, the regular price is displayed first, followed by the sale price. Now let's assume we need to switch this around so the sale price is displayed first. To make this change, first we'll log into Shopify admin account. Once in Shopify dashboard, on left side of the screen, under sales channels, click on the online store. Now look for your current theme, in my case Horizon, and then select Edit Theme. Once the theme editor loads, at the very top, click on Drop Down, then select Collections, Default Collection. On the left side of the screen, under Template, expand Collection section, and then expand Product Card. Right in here, select Price Block. On the right side of the screen, under Price Settings, look for the first option, Show Sale Price First. Go ahead and enable it, then save the changes. Now allow a few minutes for the changes to update, then go back to your website and try refreshing one of the collections. And as you can see right now, the sale price is displayed first, followed by the regular price. So as always, I hope you found this video useful, and for more Shopify tutorials, please come to my channel. Thank you.